So let's talk about, should you be trading Forex? Now, in this video right now, in the next few minutes, I'll show you the pros and the cons of trading Forex so that you can decide whether Forex trading is for you. So let's get started. Okay, well, the fascinating world of Forex. You see, it's super easy to find the pros because everybody is telling them to you. Everybody is telling you how awesome Forex is. So let's just write down what are some of the pros of the Forex markets. Well, the first one that everybody tells you is that it is open 24 hours. So it's not like trading stocks where you have regular trading hours and then a few extended hours. No, it means that you can trade it 24 hours a day. It seems that it is the market that never sleeps. Now, we are trading from 5 p.m. on Sunday until 4 p.m. on Friday, and these are Eastern times. But as you can see, it is open all the time. And this is intriguing to many people because they have still a daytime job and then they want to trade at night or in the evening or early morning. And this is one of the promises, that the Forex market is just open 24 hours and you can trade it round the clock. There's another pro. This is where people say it is the most liquid market in the world. What does it mean by this? It means there's a lot of volume going on. Let me actually show you how much volume is going on there. I found this here that shows you the average trailing volume in the Forex market, which is around $5 trillion every day are changing hands in the Forex markets. Now, in comparison, the New York Stock Exchange is making 22.4 billion. That is not accurate. It's a little bit older. Right now, in 2020, we're around 160 to 200 billion dollars. But again, it's peanuts compared to what's happening in the Forex market. So this is why the Forex brokers tell you, why wouldn't you participate in the most popular market in the world, right? The most liquid market in the world. What is another advantage here of trading Forex? Well, you have absolutely no commissions. Now, these days, as you know, commissions have gone away for trading stocks. They're still there when you're trading options and when they're trading futures. So, of course, it is super attractive when Forex trading says that there's no commissions. Why wouldn't you do this? Then also brokers are telling you, we give you free charts and tools. You get calculators, you get charting software, you get everything for free. Now, again, in 2020 right now, this is pretty much the standard. Most brokerages for stocks and options are also giving you free charts and tools. But if you think a couple of years back, this is when brokers were still charging for it. You had to pay a monthly fee. Anyhow, so with Forex trading, it was always free and it will always be free. Sounds good thus far, right? So let's talk about the fifth advantage here. You can actually start with as little as $10. Can you believe it? I mean, most brokers ask you to fund your account with at least $500 or $1,000. And if you want to trade stocks and options, it makes sense to start with around $2,000 to $5,000, right? And here you can start with only $10. Actually, let me show you this. I just Googled it for you, where I wanted to see the top Forex broker. And I came across this article from 2 days ago. Look at this. Best Forex brokers 2020. And you see, there are the best Forex brokers. We'll talk about this in a moment. And you see, the minimum deposit is $100, $10, $0, $200, $100. Super easy to fund. And look at the leverage here. Oh my gosh. You're getting a leverage of 500 to 1. What does this mean? It means that if you put $100 in there, you're getting $50,000 buying power. I mean, amazing, right? So it seems that just looking at this, there's so many pros. Why would you not trade Forex? Well, let's talk about the cons here. And the first is, Forex is short or abbreviated for foreign exchange. So this is what it stands for. So you would think like the New York Stock Exchange or the CBOE, the Chicago Board of Options, right, that there's an exchange. But here's the deal. Here's the deal. And this is the kicker. Most people don't know this. There is no foreign exchange. There's no foreign exchange. So how are you trading then? Well, this is the deal. You are not trading against other traders. You are trading against the broker. Yep, that's it. You are trading against the broker. The broker is trading against you because there is no foreign exchange. Now, this is why here in the United States, Forex trading has almost been banned. So there's this commission here that we have, the CFTC, the Commodities Futures Trading Commission. It's a government institution. And here they actually say, okay, investor alert, foreign exchange currency fraud. Beware of Forex fraud. Well, and they mention it here. I'll be happy to post the link to this article here in the description. The advertisements seem too good to pass up. High returns coupled with low risk from low investments. So you can read it yourself. I just want to highlight something like this. So this is here the most important paragraph that we have. And this is where, how do these scams work? So in a typical case, investors may be assured of reaping tens of thousands of dollars in just a few weeks or months. Often, here it comes. Here's the kicker. This is from an official government institution. Often the investor's money is never actually placed in the market through a legitimate dealer, but simply diverted or stolen for the personal benefit of the con artists. So, right? So let's talk about this. So let's go back here. It's the most liquid market in the world. However, again, there is no foreign exchange, right? You're getting the idea here. So, and we talked about it. No commissions, no fees. But here's the kicker. Take a look at this. So these Forex brokers, they actually sponsor race cars. This is a Formula One car. FX Pro is one of the brokers. So I got this from a press release from McLaren.com. So they are sponsoring a Formula One car. They're also sponsoring RoboMarkets, which is another Forex broker. You see the FX and CFD broker will support BMW Motorsport. And now you might say, so what? They're sponsoring a few cars. Who is watching Formula One anyhow? Well, keep this in mind. Sponsors are sponsoring Formula One with $30 billion. And now you might say, well, big deal. I mean, here in the US, we have football, right? I mean, we have 32 teams, I believe, in the league. But here's the deal. NFL sponsorship is only $1.47 billion, $1.5 billion. Wait, this is why Forex brokers are not sponsoring NFL. I mean, who watches NFL? You get the idea. So they are sponsoring race cars, which is 30 billion, 20 times as much as the NFL. 20 times as much. Okay, let's go back here to the pros and cons, right? Because I don't want to divert it for you. So you might be wondering, if there are no commissions, if there are free charts and tools, if everything is free, how do they make money? How can they sponsor $1 billion industry? Well, we just talked about it. What did the CFTC say? They steal money from you. You are trading against the broker, and it's like playing against the house. It's like Vegas. Who wins, right? Who wins when you're playing against the house? The house always wins. So yeah, it's open 24 hours. Okay, like Las Vegas. I mean, why would they close Las Vegas ever? Same with the Forex market. Because it is $1 billion money-making machine. And you have to be very careful, especially when it is open 24 hours. It can lead to addiction. Same as Vegas here. Because, hey, let's just pull the slot machine one more time. So it says, okay, it's the most liquid market in the world. So what? Who cares? It doesn't matter because you're not trading against other traders, even if there are millions and billions of traders in there. You're trading against the house, right? So therefore, it doesn't really matter. No commissions. Of course, why would they charge you commissions when they steal your money, right? I mean, we have just seen it according to CFTC. I mean, not my words, their words. Official government's institution. Free charts and tools. Same here. I mean, sure. How else do they make money? They steal your money. Now, start with $10 here. That's also very interesting. You see, in Forex, you can start with $100 or $10. You have seen it. Stocks and options, as said, I recommend that you have $2,000 to $5,000 here. So this is where, compared again to Las Vegas. In Las Vegas, I looked it up earlier because I was just curious. There are 164,000 slot machines, right? You know, the slot machines where you only pay 25 cents to get started here, right? On the other hand, you have 600 poker tables, right? Why? At the poker table, your minimum buy-in is anywhere between $30 and $100. So you get the idea, right? I mean, this is why Forex is like a slot machine. And this is why they keep the entry level low, because they even let you fund an account with your credit card. With your credit card, right? Anyhow, so let's talk about a summary, because I promised you, first of all, that this will be eye-opening. And should you be trading Forex? Well, keep in mind, you are trading against the house. There are a few brokers that let you trade against other traders, but most brokers out there are taking the other side of your trade. And they are providing you the quotes. This is why they give you free quotes and free tools, because they are telling you there is no foreign exchange. Keep this in mind. So, key question here is, of course, this is what everybody wants to know. Can you make money trading Forex? Maybe. There are some traders who are really, really, really good, but the odds are against you. There's people who come back from Las Vegas and they make money every single time they go to Vegas. But think about the majority. What happens to the majority of people when they go to Vegas? They lose money, right? So what should you do? Should you be trading Forex? Well, here's my advice. If you want to trade, there are great ways to trade. And I would say trade stocks and options. And here's why. No CFDs. CFDs is like Forex. You are trading against the house. I cannot say this often enough. I hope that I can do this until it sinks in, until you realize that when trading Forex, you're trading against the house. Let me just know in the comments if you have some experiences with Forex brokers. If you have opened an account, and what happened then? Did you make money or did you lose money? Anyhow, so hope that this is helpful and tells you a little bit behind the scenes of what is happening in the Forex market, the biggest market in the world. What, the 5 trillion market? Compare this to 200 billion in the US stock market here. Anyhow, if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like it. And if you want to see more videos like this, where I'll talk about penny stock trading, about day trading, about Bitcoin trading, cryptocurrencies, if you want to see this, then click on the subscribe button right now, and also click the little notification bell, because this way you get notified whenever I release a new video. And also, please share this video with everybody who tells you, I'm trading Forex, or you should be trading Forex, or I'm planning to trade Forex, right? It's a recipe for disaster. Anyhow, hope you enjoyed watching this video as much as I enjoyed making it for you, and I'll see you in one of the next videos.